You're officially normalizing eating leftover lunch and dinner foods for breakfast, especially when those leftovers include this sun gold tomato pasta. I posted the recipe for this in my newsletter a few weeks ago, but I figured we could do a little tutorial. You start by caramelizing some thinly sliced shallots and garlic in olive oil and butter. Cooking them low and slow brings out their natural sweetness, and it'll also give the dish a great depth of flavor. Okay, now for the star, the sun gold tomatoes. These are a type of cherry tomato that are this bright, gorgeous orange color when they're fully ripe. They're a little bit sweeter and juicier than your average cherry tomato, making them perfect for sauce. I decided to blend the sauce for a silkier mouthfeel, but you could totally skip this step. It would still taste really good. Transfer the pasta directly into the sauce from the cooking water about 2 minutes earlier than your package directions. That way your pasta absorbs the sauce as it finishes cooking. Now, every good pasta dish, in my opinion, is finished with a few knobs of cold butter and a handful of Parmesan cheese, along with a heavy splash of pasta water. The number one mistake I see home cooks make is serving dry ass pasta. You want your pasta sauce to be glossy and saucy and look a little loose because it's going to tighten up as it sits. You'll see here I first plated it without any basil because I just wanted to see what that would look like. Then I decided to throw it back in the pot and toss it with some basil. But you'll see here, this is a dry ass pasta. This needs pasta water. It should almost look like soup. So I added pasta water, and you can see here how saucy and glossy it is. There's like a little pool of sauce in the bottom left corner. That's what you're looking for. And then when you reheat it, it gets all congealed and you lose that saucy glossy factor, but it's still good. Second day pasta is some of my favorite pasta. But yeah, that's it. Let me know if you try it. Love you.